Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to make hard reset for your headphones Vivo TWS 2. You have to start by put your headphones to the charging case, and after that press and hold connectional button for at least 15 seconds, until you can see that LED light start flashing orange. Here we go. Now, close the charging case and click information icon or settings icon if you have Android. After that, forget this device, forget device. Now, if you have Android, click pair new device, and after that, open the charging case and press and hold connectional button for at least 2 seconds to enter pairing mode. Oh, and again. Here we go. Now click on your headphones at the charging list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!